this is Kai Kubo, and today we're gonna review N-Scale. And I used to like trains when I was in kindergarten. Right now I still like them. And today we're gonna do an N-Scale. Now you see, N-Scales are, small models. They're little trains. And track, N-Scale size track, you can see it. And they're from like high school kid age that you can use. I mean, right now I'm 5th grade, and I'm grade 11. And yes. So let's see the case. And here it is. Kato series. It's the 10
Dash.
10 dash, 1197, 211, 3000 series, the Nagano train, 3 sets. Let's open it. Now you see it looks like a book, but it isn't. One time my sister said it looks like a book. Or it isn't. And yes. And here is it inside. And if you buy like a case like this, you always get this brochure. It has a picture on it, and it was built in whatever it is, and has the stickers. I used a few of them. If you want to change them, you can. So here's the brochure, and here it is. The Nagano train. You see it. You can show on the first car. Here it is. And you see, this train runs in Japan, Nagano-ken, and really cool. Here's the front. It's really cool, and it's one of my favorites too. And here's the pantograph. You can see on the top there's the pantograph. It's really delicate part. And there's lots of coolers and stuff like that. And here's the sticker right here that I put here too. And here's the top. And here's the bottom. Here's the back. And it has a door on it. Yep. And it has the JR mark right here. Japan Railways. I don't know. And here's the 2011 3000 series. It's right here. You can see it's really small. It's right here. But anyway, and you can see it's really small, but you could see a door button right here that you could open the doors. But this scale doesn't open. The real train does. And here's the first car. Oh, and old wheels too. Next, we're gonna show up the motor car. This car is you need it because this train pulls and pushes, and it has a motor on it. So yeah, and it has stickers, lots of stickers. because if you see the first car, you can see it. There's no pantograph, just coolers. And the front, you can see it's different because if you see on the door, something's like, you know, like a spring or something. And
Like an accordion.
yeah. And here's this part doesn't have a window. You know why? Because this is the toilet. In Japan, some trains have like toilets and stuff like that. And yeah, let's turn it on right here too. Yeah. Now, the Nagano train, and when I bought this, I bought it in last Christmas, and it was like $100 and I got it from, and I used my money for just in Japan they do that, get some money and think, and yeah. Right now I'm collecting lots of Engage. And yeah. Next we're gonna talk about the catalog. And I got it from my Engage store guy. He's really nice. And he gave this catalog. Catalog. It's just a joke. It's in 2012, like 2 years ago, and this catalog has lots of trains, like cars or something like that, and there's like express train for lots of trains and stuff like that. I'm back, and we did the review. So next we're gonna do a test run. So let's go to the next one. Phew! Okay, now we're at the controller place, and first we're gonna show the reveal. The reveal means that you put this on the track, and it's like, you know, you put this train, and then it goes to the track. Voila. So you'll definitely need this when the train can not fit on the track. Okay. Now we did the reveal. Next, we're gonna talk about the train. First thing, you have to press it just like this and make sure it doesn't kind of angles and stuff like that. You have to check.
Make sure it's straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take uncouple, you have to do it kind of, break it apart. So this is the perfect way to do it. Okay. Next we're gonna do the power pack, and first you have to put this dial down, and you have to station stop, and yes. Next we're gonna talk about the N-gauge station.
N-gauge is same as N-scale.
Yes. And here's the N-scale station, and it's really big. If you open the top,
Oh, cool.
Okay, and now we're gonna run. We're gonna back, because here this is back and front. Which way you can go? Okay, now we're gonna run. First, you have to go slowly.
derail or something.
Yeah. We're off to go. You see, there's lights on the front and the top.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And yeah.
How fast can it go?
Real fast, like this much, but I don't want it. So we're gonna go about half.
Half speed?
Half speed. So this is a fast speed. We'll go fast, but it'll derail because if you go to the curve hard, it'll derail because it's really kind of, really curved.
Sharp curve?
Sharp curve. So I don't want it to happen. Okay. Now we stopped the train at the station. So next we're gonna go this side.
This way?
This way, and we'll do lots of rounds. So let's do it. The first thing we have to do is don't make a mistake on the dial. Okay, we're off to go. So we run both directions, and make sure you look at the dial and check there's nothing on the track. So thank you for watching, and let's go. In the next review, I'll do another train video. And thank you for watching. Bye.